Bro, if you guys haven't already, smash that like button, bro. I appreciate it so much, dude. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I am here in my backyard, guys. I actually went freaking camping and I shot the video, and now I'm coming back, and I don't know, this whole thing is kind of crazy. But first of all, today's a sponsored video by LASFIT lighting. We got new lighting for my car, and I just want to give them a shout out. If you guys need any LEDs, any type of stuff like that, go ahead, give them a follow right here, and they'll probably hook you up with some good deals. Just want to say, guys, thank you guys so much for the support on the last video, guys. I did a video with my friend, right, on his black G35. I know his G35 is clean, and y'all freaking showed it, because y'all went crazy on that video. 2,000 views in like 3 days, y'all. That is absolutely killer. Thank you guys so much. You guys been slaying it. We got much more videos to come with him and stuff like that, and it's just gonna be crazy. We got the meet coming soon, so we're gonna add even more cars, so stay updated with all these videos coming soon, because this is about to be crazy. So thank you guys so much. If you guys haven't watched it, it was a louver install on a black G35. Go ahead, check it out if you haven't already. God damn, I'm trying to move to a different location, and these fucking rocks are killing me, brother. All right, we back. But what you're about to see right now, we're trying to change the light bulb on the side markers, because I got a new style side marker, and I got a new lights for my license plate lighting. So I ran into a bit of some trouble, so I made a poll on Instagram, and y'all voted for the green lights. If you guys are confused right now, you'll see what I'm talking about. But without further ado, let me show you guys what happened earlier before I went camping on my side markers and the whole shabam. Because yeah, I wanted to put green lights with the new side marker, but I guess I didn't read what the hell the new side marker was, and well, you guys will see. So without further ado, let's roll the damn video. Thank you guys. Make sure to hit the like button, and let's continue. LASFIT, make sure to give them a follow on Instagram. Go ahead, LED lighting to the max. Boom, guys, look at this. This is just a wrap-in, so but yeah, guys, look, it's gonna look sick. And then so let's take a look at the lights too. Damn, I think they sent me two, yo. I think I got two. Maybe I could put some for the side markers, and maybe the ones on the tail lights. Oh yeah, that's right. I surprised myself. Holy shit. The lights, I got two. You know why? Because one's gonna go in the freaking in the side markers. The other one is going in the freaking license plate lights. The license plate lights are going to be green as well. You think I'll get stopped for that? Well, who the hell cares? So let's go ahead and install these lights, and let's see the final look. Bruh, it's gonna look sick. So let's go outside and install them, and I'll show you guys how foggy my lights are, because they're a piece of shit. The side markers actually have a little bit of water in there. Thought they were. There you go.
De puro Jimenez ese.
There you go. That's simple.
And that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Turn the light on, and you will see.
That's it? ¿Y esto?
I don't know what the hell is that.
Guys, what the freak is going on, bro? I got a freaking... I can't even use my green LED that I literally got sponsored for. Are you serious? All right, we're gonna figure something out here, because they saying cool, so we're gonna figure something out. Don't worry, y'all. We're gonna get this settled here.
¿Tú lo quieres verde?
Yeah.
Pero con esta mica?
Yeah.
Si quieres verde, tiene que ser con la vieja.
Okay.
Y si quieres la nueva, va a ser esta nueva. Let's see how it looks.
Let's see how the other one looks. Let me know what you guys think looks better, this green one or the ones I'm about to put right now. Comment down below, because I'm gonna switch them after the video is posted, because
I need to go wash my hair.
Probably finish this video some other day, because I really need to figure this out. So for right now, yeah. Hey guys, they're trying to sell me carbon fiber ducktail trunk for $600, like a 4th of July special. What do you guys think? Should I go for it? Let me know, because I really want that thing super bad, and it looks super nice, but I don't know, it's a lot of bucks for a college student, so I don't know. Let me know. All right guys, so we're here under my car, and I'm gonna show you guys what the deal is right now. We're trying to change the light out, and I'm gonna show you guys at night what it looks like. But you know, right now we're waiting for the Mexico game, so I gotta do this. You guys can see I already took this one out. You got these small clips, you just basically push down on them and these suckers come out. Now I'm trying to take this all the way out, but oh, there you go. It's basically like the side marker. You just twist this, remove it, switch the light bulbs, which I have right here. LASFIT LED. These are green ones, so freaking lit. So no pun intended. But let's go ahead and switch them out. I need some new housings, bro. These are dirty as hell, bro. Let's clean these a little bit, see if I can get a better result. You just pull that sucker out, put the sucker aside right here, pull the sucker out, and basically just plug this sucker in. Whoop. Ready to go, ladies amigos. You just put the housing back, and yeah, let's wait at night for the final result, ladies. Like I said, guys, these are custom green LED lights from LASFIT. If you guys need any other color, any other LED for literally anything, your headlights, your tail lights, your license, anything, make sure to hit them up and they'll be able to hook you up, man. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this deal. This is what the rich life is like. Electric scooter and your brother in a bicycle. We're growing super fast, man. I appreciate it, man. You guys are the best, honestly.
Viva Mexico!
You recording?
I am.
Alright, guys, we just finished watching the Mexico game.
We won.
You got the Mexico jersey. Alright, but anyways, guys, I want to show you guys the color, the freaking LED lighting I installed earlier today, as you guys saw in the heat. But yeah, so we're gonna go see how they look. So let's go open up the car and like I said, guys, I ended up choosing these side markers because yes, they're low lights, right? So we don't even need these, but these honestly look the design looks a little bit more fresh, more elegant, like, you know, I don't know, it looks nice. The other ones that I had on were like foggy yellow, they look kind of crappy, so that's the reason I didn't go with those. But what in the world? Is like a scary movie. These LED lights are freaking amazing, y'all. If y'all have any questions,
Fire!
watch out. If you ever have any questions on these, go ahead, make sure my video, I already made a video on my headlights. Go ahead, check it out. These are amazing. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like I said again, comment down if you guys think I'm gonna get stopped by an officer. I feel like I am, and I feel like there's always gonna be that one prick that is. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up if you guys haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next video with some dope content. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.
It keeps blurring.
I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys so much for the support. We just hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm super excited, I'm super happy, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.